Starting in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful, supreme, and powerful. I'm Mansoor Hassan, English language teacher at Oxford Education Academy, Patkhela. And our today's topic is pronoun and its types. In the previous video, we have defined pronoun and discussed two types of pronoun, personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. And today we will discuss demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, interrogative pronoun, intensive and reflexive pronoun, and reciprocal pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns are used to demonstrate or indicate someone or something. This, that, these, and those are all demonstrative pronouns. Examples: this is a laptop, that is a TV, these are books, those are students. This and that are used for singular, these and those used for plural. This and these are for near, that and those are used for far. Demonstrative pronoun هغه pronouns چې کوم موږ د یو شي یا د چا د نشاندهۍ لپاره استعمالوو. موږ وایو دا لیپټاپ دی, this is a laptop. نو this, that, these او those دا فور زموږ سره demonstrative pronouns دي. this او these موږ د نږدې لپاره استعمالوو, that او those د لرې لپاره. this او that د singular لپاره, these او those د plural لپاره. Indefinite pronoun, unlike demonstrative pronouns, which point out specific items. Indefinite pronouns are used for non-specific things. This is the largest group of pronouns: all, some, any, several, anyone, nobody, each, both, few, either, none, one, and no one are the most common. Examples: somebody must have seen the driver leave. He brought this gift from somewhere. Everything is possible if you believe. Other examples: I have eaten everything in my fridge. I have nothing for breakfast. I need to find something. Anything would be okay. And definite pronoun, the demonstrative pronoun یو قسم د opposites دي او demonstrative pronoun د خاص یو شی نشاندهی لپاره استعمالو او indefinite pronoun چې کوم دي چې کله موږ جنرالي خبرې کوو هغه شی زموږ شو کول ظاهرول نه غواړو د هغې لپاره موږ indefinite pronoun استعمالو. لکه موږ وایو چې ماله چا څه شیز د څه ځای نه راوړی, نو چا څه شیز څه ځای دا زموږ سره indefinite pronoun دی. Anybody, anyone, somewhere, someone, something, no one, nowhere, nothing, everyone, everything, everywhere. These are the examples of indefinite pronouns. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are used in questions, although they are classified as pronouns. It is not easy to see how they replace nouns. Who, which, what, where, and how are all interrogative pronouns. Who told you to do that? Which dog won the race? Whom do you belong to? Whose car is this? Whom, who, whose, what, which. Who is used for person as a subject in sentence. Whom is used for person if it is object in sentence. Whose is used for person and possessive. What for thing, which for person or thing. For example, who took the book? Asad took the book. So Asad is person and it is subject in the sentence. So we can ask in question who. Whom is she talking to? She is talking to Sarah. So Sarah is person and is object in the sentence. So if we are asking about Sarah, so we can make question whom is she talking to. This is Asad's car. So Asad's is possessive and for person. So if we are making question whose car is this. What do you want for lunch? Which of them is the tallest? Which color do you prefer? These are some examples of interrogative pronouns and sentences. Interrogative pronoun موږ سره هغه pronouns دي چې کم مونږه په question کې استعمالو. whom, whose, who, what, which. دا کم words دي, دا pronouns موږ سره کم دي, دا interrogative pronouns دي. Another one is intensive and reflexive pronoun. An intensive or reflexive pronoun and selves are selves and refer to another noun or pronoun in the sentence, usually the subject of the sentence. The reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Examples of intensive and reflexive pronouns used in sentence. The dog bit itself. Are you talking to yourself? He completed the work himself. They made the school decoration by themselves. Difference between intensive and reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun are essential for the basic meaning of sentence, while intensive pronouns are not essential for the basic meaning of sentence. For example, Sarah can open it and Sarah can open it herself. So if we put herself or not, but this basic meaning of sentence is completed. If we put him herself, so it is for emphasizing the subject. We can raise the funds, we can raise the funds ourselves. So it doesn't affect the meaning of the sentence, but it just emphasizing the subject. While reflexive pronouns, Clary is looking at Clary. She is looking at herself. So herself, if we remove the reflexive pronoun from this sentence, so it affects the meaning of the sentence. It is essential for the completing of the meaning of the sentence. But if Claire is looking at another girl, suppose Aisha, so she is looking at her. And if she is looking at own Clary in the mirror, so we can say she is looking at herself. So here we will use reflexive, and if she is looking at someone else, so we can use her. So this is the difference between her and herself. Reciprocal pronoun. A reciprocal pronoun is a type of pronoun which is used for one of the participants of a reciprocal construction, i.e., a clause in which two participants are in a mutual relationship. Each other and one another are reciprocal pronoun. Examples of reciprocal pronoun used in sentence. My dog and cat love each other. They all support one another. Each other or one another, they pronounce the Mungwayu reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun the part दो participants लपार use कीगी चिक्कल सिर्फ दो कसानु लपार खबर को दो शिजुल बारे के खबर कुछ दागी mutual relationship भी द अगले लपार मुंगा each other इस्तेमाल और कल ज़्याद कसानु बारे के खबर को द अगले लपार बा one another use को नकम हुए च आगे द्वानु यो बल्दुम बारे के वर्कल so they can congratulate each other or agi tulu yo ballum baraki worker so they all congratulate one another. Thank you so much for watching.